Ashton back now, and you're keeping an eye on some storms.
Yeah, the eastern plains under the threat for severe weather here this afternoon. Denver in the Front Range, not so much, but we can't completely rule out a few isolated storms here along the Front Range urban corridor as we get into the late evening hours. Certainly nothing before 5 p.m. expected in metro Denver. Right now, CBS 4 radar not showing much in our state, but the storms that developed in western Nebraska earlier are getting closer. In fact, a little bit of rain now starting to cross over the state line up near Big Springs, Nebraska, making their way toward Julesburg here. These storms have an enormous amount of lightning with them. In fact, look at all of this lightning. If you're up in Sedgwick County, if you're around Holyoke or anywhere near Akron or Ray, you're probably hearing some of this thunder in the distance to the north of you. These orange boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings. Right now, the warnings are only on the Nebraska side of the state line, but if this storm keeps moving a little bit farther south, Julesburg, you may be under a severe thunderstorm warning. Hail is the primary concern. Wind and tornadoes are also concerns. 87 degrees right now in Denver. We are warming up fast. We'll top out at least at 90 degrees here this afternoon. National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch that goes until 7 p.m. Includes all those areas we were just talking about up near Julesburg, down towards Sterling. Basically, everybody east of Fort Morgan and everybody east of Lyman under that tornado watch through the evening hours. Need to emphasize that Denver in the Front Range, we are not under a tornado watch, and we are expecting very little, if any, severe weather for the I-25 urban corridor. The storms we had yesterday have now all moved over into the Midwest and the Mid-Atlantic region. Rough weather expected for states like Kentucky and Tennessee today as well. High pressure south of us trying to keep Colorado dry, but on the east side of that high, there's a boundary that is set up. This stationary front parked in far eastern Colorado, and this is going to be the focus for the thunderstorm development, and that's why we're most concerned about areas east of Lyman, east of Fort Morgan. And as we look at the severe weather outlook, that area shaded in orange, that's where we have an enhanced threat for severe weather. So on the scale that goes from 1 to 5, we're at a 3 out on the far eastern plains for large hail, damaging wind, and isolated tornadoes. As you can see, the marginal threat, 1, does go as far west as Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins, so we're not completely out of the woods here along the Front Range. It's possible there could be a storm or two, especially late this evening, that could generate a lot of wind. That's probably going to be our biggest concern here in metro Denver, would be wind with any of those storms. Unlikely that we would have any really large damaging hail here in town, but again, on the far eastern plains, large hail is a real possibility. Those storms continuing out on the far plains until midnight tonight. And notice here along the Front Range, 11 o'clock tonight, even midnight tonight, there could be a storm or two that comes on through, so we'll be watching for that. Meanwhile, it's a hot day. High temperatures right around 90 degrees in the Denver area, 70s for the most part in the mountains. The high country, we have about a 20% chance for a thunderstorm this afternoon. That's what we have for tomorrow, 20% chance for a late day thunderstorm. Kelly, not a whole lot changes with the forecast through the weekend. Temperatures staying within a couple of degrees of 90 through the upcoming weekend, and at least a chance for a late day shower or thunderstorm each and every day. And that does include for Monday Night Football. Looking ahead to next Monday night, we'll have at least a chance, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. But for this afternoon and this evening, we'll be watching and thinking about our friends in the far plains. It's going to be a rough go there for a while, I think, out east.
All right. Thank you, Ashton.
All right.